Hi, today I want to show you how to create the custom footer layout with Divi Builder. So, by default, we do not have any footer with Divi theme, and to create it, you can click Customize here, Theme Customizer, and you will have something like this, where you can click Footer, choose Layout, Footer background, add widgets, etc. But what if we want to make more opportunities? And this one doesn't work for us. So there is the simple solution. You should log in into your WordPress dashboard, just like this. Find Divi menu item and click Theme Builder. Great. Previously, we created global header, just like this. Check my other video. So, the same, you should click Add Global Footer button and click Build Global Footer. It's loading. Let's wait. Great. So, now you will see the default page builder. You can choose the column layouts like this. Let's add some logo. A bit big. It looks better. And let's add some contact form, for example. I want here to be contact form. Let's make it Let's make it 3 columns. Oh, sorry, 3 columns. Here will be like this, and next some contact info, H5, about, and phone number, email, location. Just something, for example. You can add your own information here. Doesn't matter. So after we can add some new row, where we will add copyright, just like this. We can change the background color, like we do it for example, so doesn't really matter what I'm doing. After that, just click Save. Close. And click Save here. Very important, do not forget to click Save on this page. Let's refresh and see how it works. Great. We will have the global footer with Divi page builder. So, hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe and check my other videos. Now you can customize it in the way you want. Thank you.